Hello, Jake. I need some advice. Do you know where I can get medicine for a cough here in the US?
Hi, Emily. Sure, you can buy cough medicine at most pharmacies, like CVS or Walgreens. Some supermarkets also have it in their health section.
Really? Can I also find cough medicine in gas stations?
Sometimes, but it's usually limited to basic over-the-counter stuff like cough drops or pain relievers. For actual cough syrups, you're better off going to a pharmacy.
That's good to know. Is it ever safe to buy medicine from someone selling it on the street?
No, absolutely not. It's really risky. You don't know if it's genuine or expired. Always buy medicine from a trusted store or pharmacy.
You're right. What about bandages? If I need a Band-Aid, can I buy that from someone on the street?
I wouldn't recommend it. Bandages are easy to find in pharmacies or supermarkets, and it's safer to buy them sealed and clean.
Got it. Do you ever reuse Band-Aids?
No way. That's unsanitary. I always throw them in the trash after using them.
So, you don't just throw them out the window or on the street.
Definitely not. That's littering. They go straight into the trash can.
Makes sense. Do you take off Band-Aids before you shower?
Yeah, I usually do. It's hard to keep them stuck on when they get wet. What about you?
Same here. I feel like it's better to let the wound breathe during the shower anyway.
That's a good point. Do you take them off before going to bed too?
Not always. If the wound is still fresh, I leave it on overnight to protect it. Do you do the same?
Yeah, if the wound is still healing, I keep it on. But once it's better, I take it off to let my skin recover fully.
That's smart. So, in the US, I should stick to buying all medicines and first aid supplies from pharmacies, supermarkets, or trusted places, right?
Exactly. That way, you know you're getting safe and reliable products.
Thanks, Jake. I've learned a lot. I'll head to the pharmacy later to get some cough medicine and Band-Aids.
You're welcome, Emily. Let me know if you need help finding anything.
I will. Thanks again.
No problem. Take care.